All right, so I'm going to read the second part of Herbert Koeff's What is Biodynamic Agriculture? And then this one is called Biological Farming. It's entitled Biological Farming. Many substances and forces have to work together to ensure that even the humblest plant grows and ripens in the manner of its species. Natural plant communities develop in areas undisturbed by man. They develop according to the soil and climatic conditions of their locale. Within these living communities, many kinds of interrelations exist among the single plant species. And among these, in the living world of the soil, bacteria, fungi, worms, and other creatures, insects, birds, and larger and smaller mammals of the area also belong to these communities. It rarely happens that one or more plant or animal species gains the upper hand over others within such a living complex. As can be the case with weeds and pets in cultivated ground, the cyclic exchanges of substances and forces between the soil and plants are almost entirely closed systems, and losses by leaching or erosion are minor. The soil fertility that is developed in the course of centuries is stable. Many-sidedness and well-nigh closed cycles within an area are characteristic of a stable natural ecosystem. And I'm not going to go further, which is the, basically sort of the other side of the coin, which are cultivated landscapes. But I will read that part next. So let's think about the natural system and what the benefits of that are. And basically, how could we apply that? Sorry, George is shaking off. How could we apply that to the way that we cultivate, or the way that we form a garden or a farm bed or a farm or a homestead or a backyard? So let's kind of think about that a little bit. The benefits here, biodiversity was mentioned. And I think that when we think about biodiversity, when we sort of close our eyes and meditate on that, to think about the numerous, if not infinite, interconnections between all of those organisms, and what happens when we remove that, and what happens when we clear the closed cycles out and try to start our own. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy middle of the week.